A very good morning, dear student. My dear student, as you know that at present, other books, special purpose books, other books is going on in the accountancy class 11th. My dear student, we can say other books and we can say this is subsidiary books. And the subsidiary books, we can prepare the purchase book, sales book, purchase, purchase return, sales return, and the general proper, my dear student. So these are the books, and in cash book also, my dear student. So we have completed the purchase book. In the today's concept, we will start the sales book, my dear student. If we want to start the sales book, then like purchase book, everything is similar. That if we are purchasing the sales book at present, so we will remain in mind the two things in the mind. That first, only credit dealings and transactions will come in the purchase book. In the purchase book, only the credit dealings and transactions will come. And second, my dear student, second point is we will consider only goods, not any assets. And goods means in which goods you are dealing. Suppose you have the stationery shop, the stationery goods is the goods like copy, pencil, erasers, registers, papers. These are the goods. Suppose you have the electrician shop, the bulb, tube lights, ceiling fan, table fan. These are the goods. Suppose you have the furniture shop, then you can say that furniture, sofa, chair, table, these are the goods, my dear student. So first of all we will check that what is the nature of the business, और जो बिजनेस का नेचर होगा वही उसका गुड्स होगा, माय डियर स्टूडेंट. नाउ वी विल कम, these are the features of the sales book. First feature is a credit sales. Credit sales of goods dealt in are recorded in the sales book. My dear student, clearly I have told you that only credit dealing and transactions will come in the sales book. My dear student, second they are saying, second point, on the second point they are saying credit sales of items other than goods, treated in sales of finished goods by the firm. They are clearly saying that credit sales of items other than goods traded in or sales of finished goods by the firm are not recorded in the sales book, they are recorded in general proper. My dear student, they are clearly saying that only the goods item will come, other than goods item like fixed assets will not come, my dear student. My dear student, already we have told you that these two things are the very important, and these in the features also, that only credit dealings and transactions will come, and second, only goods item we will record in the sales book, not any other items, my dear student. And third, they are saying that cash sales are not recorded. Yes, my dear student, if we, on the first point, if we are saying only credit transactions will come, definitely cash transaction will not come, my dear student. And fourth, my dear student, they are saying that entries are recorded on the basis of invoice. Invoice means, my dear student, purchase and sales, my dear student. Purchase and sales, my dear student. Now, first of all, we will discuss the format. This is the format of the sales book. First, this is a date column. This is a particular column, my dear student. Now, this is an invoice number. If is available in the question, then we will write in the invoice. But we have to maintain the column also. Column, LF column and detail column, my dear student. And my dear student, now you can check. There's a sales value, then output CGST, output SGST, output IGST, and this is a freight and carriage in the total, my dear student. And these all columns we have seen in the purchase book, but at the top now we have to write the sales book, my dear student, not purchase book. but in the purchase book you have seen these all columns, my dear student. Now my dear student, now I will come on the question. This is a question, and in this question they are saying record the following transactions. Again, record the following transactions of MS Messrs Kishori and Sons Delhi. My dear student, this is a very important word कि ये दिल्ली का business है. In their sales book, my dear student, sales book we have to maintain. At the end they are saying in the sales book, so we have to maintain the sales book, my dear student. Now I will come on the question. They are saying sold to MS Messrs Gupta and Verma Delhi. Sold MS Messrs Gupta and Verma Delhi. And what we are selling? 30 shirts. Shirts, it means shirts, trouser. This is a textile work. This is a cloth work. It means cloth item is a goods, my dear student, in that situation. Now this is a clothes work. So my dear student, now I will come on the solution. और ये सारे आइटम 30 शर्ट एंड 20 ट्राउजर एंड रेट for 400 each, 600 each. And my dear student, I will write on the solution, my dear student. Now this is at the top, this is a sales book, and my dear student, there is a date column, but date is not mentioned in that question. But my dear student, यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे किसको आपने सेल आउट करा. तो जिसको ना आपने सेल आउट करा उसे बोल्ड करके लिखेंगे मैसर्स गुप्ता एंड वर्मा डेली. क्या सेल आउट करा my dear student? 30 shirt 400 each, 20 trousers 600 each. My dear student, if we are selling 30 shirt, 400 रुपये की एक शर्ट है. 30 शर्ट की कीमत कितनी होगी my dear student? इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 30 into 400. तो अगर आप इसकी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो नाउ यू कैन कम on the solution. In the detail amount is 12,000. Like this, 20 trousers 600 each. एक ट्राउज़र की कीमत 600 रुपये है, तो 20 ट्राउज़र की कीमत कितनी होगी? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एंड नाउ यू कैन चेक. दिस इज 12,000. तो 12,000 दिस इज 24,000 टोटल अमाउंट. एंड नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, दे आर द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. Trade discount at 10%. Now you can check in the questions also. In the question they are saying this is a trade discount. In the first point 10%. But that's why we are deducting the 10%. The 10%, my dear student, the total amount is 24,000. 24,000 into 10%, 2,400. माइनस करेंगे माय डियर स्टूडेंट, तो माइनस करने के बाद 21,600 की हमने सेल करी है. किसको सामान बेचा? मैसर्स गुप्ता एंड वर्मा डेली. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी विल कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस: सोल्ड ओल्ड फर्नीचर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ओल्ड फर्नीचर इज नॉट अ गुड्स, बिकॉज गुड्स इज अ clothes at present in this business. So old furniture is not a goods, so we will leave this item. Next word is a sold 50 shirts. Shirt is a goods. 50 shirts to MS Messrs Jain and Sons Kanpur, okay, at the rate of 400 each. 400 रुपये का एक मैम. My dear student, this is a credit dealing and this is a goods, but that's why we will record here. Now we will write MS Messrs Jain and Sons Kanpur 50 shirts 400 each. एक की कीमत 400 रुपये है, तो 50 की कीमत कितनी होगी? माय डियर स्टूडेंट, मल्टीप्लाई करिए इनकी, और नाउ आप इसका आंसर बिल्कुल बाहर निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज कोई ट्रेड डिस्काउंट है 20,000. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ आई विल कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस: सोल्ड टू MS Messrs Mathur and Jain, Kolkata, 100 shirts 400 each and 10 overcoats 1,000 each, and trade discount is here, my dear student. तो बिल्कुल इसी सीक्वेंस में हम लिखेंगे my dear student. Now I will come on the solution. In the solution, first of all we will write the name, the bold, MS Mathur and Jain, Kolkata, 100 shirt 400 each, 10 overcoat 1,000 each, and this is a trade discount, my dear student. Multiply 100 into 400, so 40,000 amount will come, my dear student. Now we can check. This amount is a 40,000. This calculation is 10,000. Total 50,000. इस 50,000 का 10% निकालेंगे तो 5,000. My dear student, 5,000 माइनस करेंगे तो amount will come 45,000. Now my dear student, these three amount if you will be add, then total answer will come 86,600. And my dear student, now you can check sales account credit, because sales credit होती है, because sales always goes out, that's why sales credit. My dear student, thank you very much. I hope you understood the question. Thank you very much and God bless you, my dear student.